Hey everyone, welcome back to Prime Unboxing. Today I have something super exciting to share with you. The Semlos LED Desk Lamp with USB charging port. This is the perfect addition to any workspace, especially for your kids. Whether they're studying, reading, or working on their latest art project, this lamp has it all. Let's unbox it and check out its amazing features. Inside the box, we have the Semlos LED Desk Lamp, a sleek and modern design that's perfect for any table. It's lightweight, foldable, and super easy to set up. This pack actually comes with 2 lamps, one for each of my boys. Plus, it also includes 2 USB-C cables for added convenience. I can already see how this will make their study sessions so much better. Installation is a breeze. No tools needed. Just unfold, plug it in, and you're good to go. What I love is how adjustable this lamp is. You can rotate the arm vertically up to 90 degrees and swivel the head 180 degrees. This means you can position it just the way you need for perfect lighting. The touch control panel makes adjusting the settings so simple. This lamp has 25 lighting modes. Yes, you heard that right. You can choose from 5 color temperatures, ranging from a cozy, warm 3000 Kelvin to a bright white 6000 Kelvin and 5 brightness levels. Whether it's for reading, writing, or bedtime, there's a perfect mode for every moment. Here's a feature that's a game changer: the 30 and 60-minute auto-off timer. It's perfect for bedtime routines. Just set it and forget it. Plus, there's a USB charging port right on the base, so your kids can charge their phones or tablets while they work. So there you have it, the Semlos LED Desk Lamp with USB charging port. It's stylish, practical, and packed with features that make it a must-have for your home. If you're looking to create the perfect workspace for your kids, or even for yourself, this lamp is an amazing choice. And the best part? You get 2 in 1 pack. If you're interested, make sure to check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. Don't wait. This is a deal you don't want to miss. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Prime Unboxing, and hit that notification bell for more awesome product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video. Until then, happy shopping and happy lighting.